Using the WBTC Cafe with the Pillar wallet is very easy. On your app, go to the Services tab. Scroll down to WBTC.Cafe and tap on it. If this is your first time, you'll be presented with this screen talking a bit about the feature. To go ahead, scroll down and tap on Get WBTC. You can always go back to the explainer screen by tapping on the eye icon on the top right. Tap on the Exchange button. Here, you'll type the amount of BTC you want wrapped. Now confirm the amount. Read carefully the exchange details screen. And once you're okay with everything, you can scan the QR code provided using your BTC wallet of choice. Or you can copy the address and paste it there. When the transaction is all done, the wrapped BTC will show up on your Assets tab. Now you can enjoy the Ethereum ecosystem with the power of Bitcoin.